This is MadDogzTrains.com. We've had inquiries about our LED alternating systems that we've done on our own railroad crossings. So we've bought a couple of used original railroad crossings, kind of beat up, but at least you'll see our new system, the way it works. That is the old harness for the bulbs. What we've done is actually done a LED 1156 bulb. We've made our own tin mirrored background, so if yours is missing or broken, we have those available. It's just a dished out with tinfoil, and it shines real good. Comes with the original alternating LEDs and the system, wireless remote. Some people saying it's faster than the original railroad crossings, which now we have another kit that's available. It's an adjustable rheostat, which will slow the alternating speed. You can go even slower or faster with the other kit, and those are available too. You can see in the next video, we'll have the kit with the alternating rheostat. This is MadDogzTrains.com. Thank you.